Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to unlock connectivity labs on Samsung Galaxy A57. So first scroll from the top and here you have the Wi-Fi settings. Just click and hold on it, then click Details. Now in the top right corner we have three dots right here. Click and open Intelligent Wi-Fi. Now on the very bottom we have Intelligent Wi-Fi 8.5.0. Click it a couple of times till you see Labs has already been turned on, and here you have Connectivity Labs. Open it and here we have some amazing features. For example, daily average Wi-Fi used 9-hour 44 minutes less than yesterday. So here you have every statistic about your Wi-Fi. You have weekly report with time and usage, the band of the Wi-Fi, so 2.4 gigahertz, 5 and 6. Also the Wi-Fi standards, saved networks, home Wi-Fi inspection, auto reconnect to carrier Wi-Fi, and some more features. Also, you here can reset all lab settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.